Everyone, so welcome back. So this is basically colour fabric sheets for colours. For say if you wanted to, I can use it for arts or for clothing. So if you wanted to match two colours together that look well in clothing, so basically, if you want to look at grey and white, they look like they'd go together. So if you had a little logo in white, the top grey, or even just or if there was no logo, just even the colours to match. If you wanted navy and black, they wouldn't really go. So you wouldn't be looking too well on a piece of clothing if you didn't want that. But it's good for matching colours together to see which go well, which complement each other and which don't complement each other. So basically, you can use it for fabric for arts and crafts as well though. So if you wanted to make, you can cut out, you could cut anything out here, get scissors, cut around. It could be a circle, it could be a square, it could be an eye, it could be a hat. You could just draw on it as well, just cut around it. So it's easier to draw on it, cut all around it, so it off, and then you're gonna obviously want to have to glue it onto your, so probably colour paper you're going to be using, or be an A4 normal sheet paper. So yeah, it's very handy. I bought these off Amazon as well, so I think the cost around €8. Around €8. It's not the worst, not the best. It's alright. It's handy though, just to have to match colours, or for arts and crafts. Not really worth it for your arts and crafts, the price, but it is worth for matching colours if you do have a clothing brand. Thanks for watching.